Hello everyone and welcome back to the Learn English with podcast. Today we are talking about simple English and with me is Ria. Hi Ria.
Hey Jane. Hi listeners, and excited to help everyone learn easy English today.
Great. Let's start with a simple question. How do you introduce yourself in English?
Very easy. You can say, "Hello, my name is Ria. Nice to meet you."
Perfect. Another example. Hi, I am Jane. How are you?
So the topic is daily routine.
Ria, how do you say your daily routine in simple English?
You can say, "I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work or school."
That's very clear, listeners. Repeat after us. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Yes, and here's another one. I study English every day. So our next topic is common English questions.
Let's practice useful questions. Ria, ask me something simple.
Okay, what do you do?
I can answer, I am a student or I am a teacher.
Another question is, where are you from?
And you can reply, I am from India.
So our next topic is polite English. Let's teach polite English words. Examples: please, thank you, excuse me, sorry.
Yes, these words makes your English sound better. For example, could you please help me?
Or thank you so much. So the next topic is useful daily sentences.
Let's practice some simple daily use English sentences.
Repeat after us. I am getting ready. Please wait for me. I am leaving now. I will be back soon. Give me a minute.
These sentences help in everyday speaking.
So the next topic is breakfast talk. Jane, what did you have for breakfast today?
I had poha and tea. What do you eat?
I ate paratha with curd. It was delicious. Students, you can say, I ate my breakfast. My food was tasty. I like healthy breakfast.
Short grammar mini lesson.
Topic is present simple vs present continuous.
Present simple is used for daily habits. Example, I go to school.
Present continuous is used for actions happening right now. Example, I am listening to this podcast. Students, repeat. I study every day. Present simple, I am studying now. Present continuous.
Practice this whenever you speak.
So next topic is school classroom conversation. Jane, do you remember your first day of school?
Yes, I was nervous but excited. I met many friends.
Here are some easy sentences you can use. I am cleaning my room. I am cooking food. Please give me water. Where is my phone? I am doing my homework. Vocabulary booster. Let's learn 10 useful verbs.
Students, repeat after us slowly. Learn. Write. Think. Speak. Listen. Practice. Improve. Understand. Read. Explain.
Try to use these verbs in your daily sentences. English at home.
Many students ask how to practice English at home.
Here are some easy sentences you can use. I am cleaning my room. I am cooking food. Please give me water. Where is my phone? I am doing my homework.
Speak these with confidence.
Fun mini conversation. Jane, guess what happened today?
What?
I forgot my notebook at home and realized it in the middle of class.
Oh no, what did you do?
I borrowed a notebook from my friend. Students say, I forgot something. Can you help me? Thank you for helping. A helpful stranger. Last week, Jane was walking to the market.
Yes, and I dropped my wallet by
A
mistake.
man behind him picked it up and called out, Excuse Meg, you dropped this.
I thanked him and felt relieved.
Students, repeat, Excuse me. You dropped this. Thank you so much. You are very kind. Pronunciation practice. Repeat these commonly mispronounced words. Comfortable, comfortable.
Wednesday, Wednesday.
Often, often.
Breakfast, breakfast. Say them slowly first, then faster.
Today, we practiced daily English, grammar, vocabulary, conversations, and a story.
And keep practicing every day and your English will improve.
We will meet again in the next episode. Bye, bye, and keep learning.